we got another article here from Market Insider, and this is another one from the 26th. Again, today is the 28th. Shout out. Hey, we need to help somebody get Patrick Tyler some ice. I need y'all to throw some ice cubes in the chat for Patrick. I think he over there turning green. We got to get him together. We got to get him back in the game. We got to get Patrick back in the game. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin has broken past a key technical level that's signaling it could surge another 22% to near record highs, analyst says. Okay. Bitcoin could surge 22% after breaking above a key technical level, Fairlead Strategies' Katie Stockton said. Stockton sees Bitcoin testing its final resistance at about $64,900, just below its record high. Where do we go from there? Where do we go from there? Where's the pathway to early retirement from there? That's the question. There you go. Shout out to Keith. Keith says that Michael Saylor with MicroStrategy is the guy that I would listen to on Bitcoin. Shout out to Lewis Knowles. Make sure y'all show Lewis Knowles some love. Throw some flames in the chat for Lewis Knowles. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, facts. It goes down with crypto. I haven't had a chance to do a crypto. This is like the first crypto stream that I've had a chance to do in forever. But like I said, in the links, you know how those cards pop up in the videos. I'm gonna post a couple videos and I'm gonna post a playlist so that y'all can watch some of the old videos if y'all want to. And like I said, I'm gonna try to start making sure that I do at least 2 or 3 crypto streams a week. You know what I'm saying? So Bitcoin has surged 26% year to date and is up 126% over the past year. Let me ask you guys a question. How many people 401k is up 126%? If your 401k is up 126% from last year, give me a thumbs up. If it's not, well, then give me a thumbs down. Shout out to Black Spider. What's good with it, Black Spider? So now here it says the rally in Bitcoin could have further room to run after a key technical breakout occurred on Sunday, said Katie Stockton, the founder of Fairlead Strategies. We should check out all these companies that had these experts talking and check out how their portfolios are looking and see exactly what they got going on. See how credible these jokers are. Shout out to my man KO Kid Fit. See how credible these jokers are. What y'all think? I think we're going to have to do that. Stockton told clients in a note on Monday that Bitcoin confirmed its breakout above the 48,600 resistance level in what is an immediate term bullish development on its chart. Okay. Bitcoin jumped by 3.2% on Monday to $53,393, representing its highest level since November of 2021. So shout out and congratulations to everybody that's a cryptocurrency investor. If you're a Bitcoin holder, we're now in the realms of being part of approaching breaking another milestone. And again, honestly, for real, like I said, man, shout out to everybody that invests in cryptocurrency. The people who are investing in cryptocurrency, we are the future. The people that still think that fiat currency is the end all be all, those people are the past. You know what I'm saying? The crypto token is up 26% this year to date and up 26% over the past year. While short-term technical indicators suggest that there could be a period of consolidation in the days ahead, which this is what we were talking about. Where do we think that it's going to consolidate to? This is the market correction. The uptrend should ultimately continue to its near-term and final resistance levels of between 56,400 and 64,900 respectively, Stockton said. How accurate do you guys think that is? Shout out to Keith Evans. You should invest in my you should invest in my suburban prison industrial complex idea. Get rid of those safe injection sites and get rid of those methadone clinics and put up prisons. So now here it says Bitcoin has positive long-term momentum per our trend following indicators, and there are no overbought sell signals on the monthly chart, Stockton said in a note last week. A Bitcoin surge to $64,900 would represent a potential upside of 22% from current levels and would put the cryptocurrency just a few $1,000s below its record high of about $69,000 reached in November of 2021. Now, here's my thing. I want to guess, right? And I believe that if cryptocurrency, as of right now, if it's able to hit 65,000, I believe that it'll get pumped to 70,000. And then I think the correction will happen after 70,000 if that occurs. A lot of times with cryptocurrency, what it seems like is that there will be momentum, and then when it approaches a lot of those whales and stuff like that, they just want to get it to that next milestone, so they'll quantitatively ease and manipulate the market with buying and selling those large amounts. So I think if it gets past 65,000, they're gonna be like, man, we about to break 70,000 this year. The whales will do their thing. It'll get to 70,000, and then it'll go back down and just hover at 50 for a while until the next bump. All right, that's what's good. Shout out to Win Loser Rug. Win Loser Rug said that he likes this writer's analysis. All right, that's what's up. Black Lightning said that that's Disney antagonist laughter. That's hilarious. Yeah, and that's true. That's true. Bitcoin is actually classified as a commodity. That's big facts. That's big facts. So now here it says recent catalysts affecting the price of Bitcoin include the launch last month of several spot Bitcoin ETFs, which have already attracted billions of dollars in assets. Look at, I mean, like the amount, again, I can't stress this enough. The amount of money generated by and thrown around and the wealth transferred with cryptocurrency just on a day-to-day basis is just mind-blowing. Would you guys agree? Like, people that aren't into cryptocurrency, I don't think that they understand like the implications of the amount of money generated by cryptocurrency and the speed in which that money is generated. I mean, this is like, I mean, you saw what they had for that one investment company. They made $163 million in a day. Now, shout out to Ricky. Ricky says invest in an index fund. I don't, me personally, just my, you know what I'm saying, from my personal experience and from my academic training, I don't mess with the stock market for the most part at all. I'm heavily biased towards cryptocurrency. So as far as like the S&P 500, you know what I'm saying, blue chips, Moody's and all that you know, Standard and Poor's. I don't really mess with none of that. You know what I'm saying? That's like 401k type stuff for the most part. NASDAQ, you know what I'm saying? Top 100 and all that. I don't really mess with the stock market. I'm old, man. You know what I'm saying? I got to mess with the shit that's going to blow up like in the next 5 to 10 years because I'm trying to kick it. You know what I'm saying? And the stock market ain't going to do it. You know what I'm saying? The stock market ain't going to do it. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to move fast enough for me. I need some shit that's going to blow up tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? And I was actually kicking it in a situation when my cryptocurrency blew up tomorrow, and that shit was lit. I need some shit like that again, and it looked like it might be either this year or next year, so that's what's good. Man, listen, when you have XRP and you bought that XRP for between 12 and 25 cents, and you wake up and that shit is $4 a coin, and you're already on vacation, that should make you make some very irrational decisions that are extremely fun. And that's what I did. You know what I'm saying? Man, I woke up and looked at my cryptocurrency wallet. First and foremost, I almost didn't survive because I almost had a damn heart attack. You know what I'm saying? And then I said, oh, shit. Man, we went down to the hotel lobby. That was that I went down to the hotel lobby, man. I need a bottle. You know what I'm saying? I need the big bottle of Ciroc with the aluminum pail. Oh man, it's crazy, man. Real quick, shout out to Lewis Knowles. Definitely appreciate it, bro. Make sure y'all show Lewis some love for joining the membership. I definitely appreciate it. Yo, we got 2 members on this stream, man. That's what's good. Again, the membership army is growing. We're gonna keep growing. You know what I'm saying? Nothing stopping this train. We're gonna kick it. We're gonna have a good time. You know what I'm saying? Bro, listen, I've been in this shit since 2017. And you are not lying. That's facts. Listen to Win Lose or Rug, y'all. Win Lose or Rug said people don't understand by staying consistent with this info for a year or two, you can impact your life for the better. Big impact, bro. Shout out to Carlton. Ciroc on ice, hold the Diddy. Nah, Ciroc on ice minus Diddy. I'm good. Just give me the bottle. Give me the ice. I'm good. Give me some of that. Give me some of that very fine, that blue, the blue juice, the very fine blue juice, and I'm good. I just need a quart bottle of that very fine blue juice, some ice, and the blue bottle of Ciroc or the passion fruit Ciroc, and I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. And if you got some seafood around, I'm even better. You know what I'm saying? You got some shrimp or some scampies, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? So now here it says, looking ahead, Bitcoin investors are focused on the halving event. So again, this halving event takes place. We should have a halving countdown. What do y'all think? Should we have a halving countdown and a halving party? If you guys think that we should have a halving countdown and a halving party, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't think that we should, give me a thumbs down. If the halving occurs and Bitcoin does go up the way that they're saying that it will go up, that'll be right in time for me to start phase 1 of my side project that I'm doing. I'm telling y'all, man, when y'all see that side project, y'all gonna be like, man, that's wild, man. That's wild. Watch. The halving event will cut miners' Bitcoin reward in half, further limiting the supply of new minted Bitcoins. Man, I used to try to set up staking pools with people and mining pools, and like, man, wasn't nobody on it back in the day. Shout out to Brooklyn Queen. What's good with it, Brooklyn Queen? Nobody was on it. You know what I'm saying? Halving events in 2020, 2016, and 2012 preceded massive rallies in the cryptocurrency. One crypto investor who believes there's still plenty of upside left in Bitcoin is Michael Saylor. That's your boy, the chairman of MicroStrategy. All right, so we're going to be definitely following him. Saylor said in a post on X on Monday that MicroStrategy acquired an additional 3,000 Bitcoins for about $155 million, adding that the company now owns 193 Bitcoins acquired at an average price of $31,544. The position is now worth more than $10 billion, with about $4 billion in unrealized gains. $4 billion in unrealized gains. Look at this. This must be today's. This must be an article from today. Hold on. We was about to be at the end of the stream, but let's just see if this is one from today. We're gonna check this one out. Yep, this is from today. Y'all ready? Good, because I can do this little part right here and then clip this and post this up to play at the end of the day, so it'll still be so I have posted my one video for the day. So there go that. Bitcoin soars past $60,000 for the first time since November 2021. Where are we going from here, y'all? Exactly. Win, lose, or rug. That's all I be saying, bro. If y'all agree with win, lose, or rug, I want people to just admit when they don't want to study something. Don't call it a scam. Just say it's too much for you. Facts. Or just say that you're not interested in it. Listen, you know the new video games? I don't know how to play none of them. But I don't say that they suck because I ain't never played them. I just don't know how to play them. I stopped playing video games with N64. That's how old I am. You know what I'm saying? My video game days ended with Star Fox and shit like that. What else? Siphon Filter, PlayStation, and that's it. I don't even know how to mess with any of them other video games. Now they got the shit with the computer, Xbox and all that. You know what I'm saying? PlayStation 10, I don't know none of that. The kids be playing the weird stuff on the phone, Roblox and all. I don't know nothing. I don't know what's going on with that. Then they was playing that one weird ass game, what was it called? Among Us or something like that. I don't know none of that. I don't know how to deal with none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? But that don't mean that it's not any good though. I just don't know how to play it. I'm that phase of my life is over. Now I'm playing the real video game. The real video game is Get Rich or Die Trying, not featuring 50 Cent. You know what I'm saying? So I'm invested in that. I ain't got time for that other shit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm playing that real shit, that real game called Get Rich or Die Trying, where like you only get one man. You know what I'm saying? you only get one credit. You know what I'm saying? You know? Shit. So now here it says Bitcoin soars past $60,000 for the first time since November of 2021. If you've been investing in cryptocurrency, your wallet should be lit up. You know what I'm saying? Your wallet should be lit up. Bitcoin climbed above $60,000 on Wednesday for the first time since November of 2021 and is still, to this day, 60,000. Spot Bitcoin ETF products continue to draw, it says, bug inflows from investors, but I'm assuming that was a typo. I'm assuming that they mean big investors, but y'all see it right there. It says bug investors. I don't know what they're talking about right there. know what I'm saying? The cryptocurrency gained 6% Wednesday to hover at 60,315 around 10 o'clock a.m. in New York. Bitcoin is trading above $60,000 for the first time since November of 2021. The world's biggest cryptocurrency by market cap gained 6% to touch $60,315 on Wednesday. It paired some gains to hover at $59,900 around 10 a.m. in New York. It's notched at about an 18% jump in the last 5 days and has climbed 35% year to date. Now, even though we know that 35% year to date, that's all right. You know what I'm saying? That's not really like nothing crazy impressive. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to We Lit. What's good with it, bro? That's not nothing like crazy impressive, that 35%, but I guarantee you it's better than what you would get on a CD. Shout out to man. That's wild, bro. That's crazy. Y'all see that? It went up $2,000 since we started the stream. Black Bitcoin Key said Bitcoin is now $62,433. If we, I believe that if we hit 65, we going straight to 70, and then it's gonna fall back. You know what I'm saying? It feels like the global financial world has started to understand what the asset is and why it is important for them to own it. Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily say the global financial world has started to understand. There's still some people that are kind of lagging. Would you guys agree? I wouldn't say that the global community understands. I think there's still a sector of people that kind of either are just refusing to see the obvious or just don't want to see the obvious, or I don't know what their problem is, but everybody ain't on the same page with this shit. I just put it like that. Facts, L12. If you guys agree with L12, give me a thumbs up. If y'all disagree, then give me a thumbs down. L12 said nothing moves like Bitcoin. Facts. There's two things that move great: Bitcoin and Christina Milian in the Dip It Low video. Would y'all agree? If y'all agree with that, give me a thumbs up. If y'all disagree, give me a thumbs down. Those are two things that move really nicely. You know what I'm saying? So now here it says we are not talking about small retail investors or family offices, but rather large institutions who want to invest hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars into Bitcoin. That's huge, because what that's going to do is that's going to standardize Bitcoin and increase adoption, which is going to increase liquidity, which is going to increase ease of access, which is going to increase value. Shout out to Black Bitcoin Key. Black Bitcoin Key said it might hit 6'9" like them Latino thugs did in that Florida Planet Fitness. Black Bitcoin Key said that Bitcoin might hit 6'9", like how them Latino gangbangers did in that Planet Fitness locker room in Florida. Oh man, they hit him good, didn't they? They had him all swole up. He's still talking shit. The Securities and Exchange Commission approved 11 ETFs in January from household names including BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest. I never heard of ARK Invest. How many people ever heard of ARK Invest? I never heard of ARK. I've never heard of ARK Invest. That's helped usher in broader interest from investors, and that's what you want. You want broader interest from investors, as the products open the door to gaining exposure to Bitcoin without buying the crypto outright. Pompileno highlighted BitMEX research data, which showed on Thursday alone. Look at this. Look at this. On Thursday alone, Bitcoin ETFs saw inflows of $576.8 million, the equivalent of 10,167.5 Bitcoins. Could you imagine if you had that in your bank account? We got to make sure that we all get this in our bank account. This is what I'm saying. Like, people don't know, man. People do not realize, like, in the background with all this stuff going on with Bitcoin, people can't imagine. They cannot imagine the short periods of time with the large amount of money that's generated. Like, it's wild. Don't be missing out on this. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't be missing out on this, man. Do not miss out on Bitcoin. Do not miss out on cryptocurrency. Shout out to Keith Evans. Keith Evans said, when y'all moonshot, I'll see you in Canada in my bunker. Listen, bro. Listen. And again, you got to keep reiterating this. Shout out to Win Lose or Rug. This isn't out of anyone's reach. Listen, man, I am telling you, my own eyes. If I could find, I bet you I got the screenshots on a Google photo somewhere. I went to sleep with like $1,000 in 2017. I woke up with like 15,000. I'm telling you, that shit is real. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Kip Doctor. I'm telling you. Now, the thing is shout out to Black Bitcoin Key. I think Black Bitcoin Key might be talking about like specifically Bitcoin. But like I said, to me, I think that there's still like opportunities for some big sudden gains with like Solana. Man, I woke up and I had 14K, bro. I'm telling you. But that was just in XRP that I had the 14K in. Shit, I had up, man. Listen, man. Listen. I'm gonna tell y'all some crazy shit. How many people know about this token called BNB? If y'all know about BNB, the Binance coin, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't know about the Binance coin, give me a thumbs down. Listen, look, I need somebody in the comment section to tell me the price of BNB, Binance coin. Tell me the price of BNB in 2017. Tell me the price of it today. I used to have listen, before Binance had got banned, you used to be able to buy these Binance coins and they would give you a discount on the type of crypto that you bought. So I used to just have a stack of Binance coins. Let me tell you something. Look at the price of I need somebody to put in the chat the price of Binance coin BNB in 2017, and then put the price of it today in the chat. Right? Yeah. Look at shout out to DC Precise. DC Precise said it went up from $1 to like $400, and I had it when it was like 75 cents. Listen, man, that's why I be missing 2000. That's why I be missing that. That's why I be missing 2017 so bad, man. Yeah, bro. BNB used to be like under $1, bro. It used to be under $1. I remember that shit. Man, listen. Other industry experts have predicted Bitcoin could breach the six-figure mark thanks to the momentum from the ETFs as well as the halving event, which is expected to happen in April. After halving, the rewards given to Bitcoin miners will be cut in half, and each halving brings Bitcoin closer to fulfilling its supply cap of 21 million. Now, let's actually move into the future and talk about predictions of what will happen after the 21 millionth Bitcoin is produced. What do you all think will happen to the price of Bitcoin when there's no more Bitcoin to mine? What's going to happen to Bitcoin when there's no more to mine? This happens about every 4 years, and the final halving is expected to occur in 2140. Now, there's two things that we need to do. The first thing that we need to do is, starting right now, we need to figure out a way to live to 2140. And if we can't figure out a way to live to 2140, we need to figure out a succession plan to make sure that our children have access to our cryptocurrency wallets so that they can preserve and make sure that they have all of that cryptocurrency when the last cryptocurrency is mined, because that'll be a massive wealth transfer. Would you guys agree? If you guys agree, give me a thumbs up. If you guys disagree, give me a thumbs down. Yeah, facts. Shout out to DC Precise. All of the scragglers will be fighting over single Satoshis. In the 12 months following the halvings of 2012, 2016, 2020, the price of Bitcoin jumped. Look at this. Look at this. In the 12 months following the halvings of 2012, 2016, 2020, the price of Bitcoin jumped 8,069%, 284%, and 559%. Now, my question is, how many people got any investments that increased 8,069%, 284%, or 559%, respectively? You guys think that got anything to do with why BlackRock is interested in it? If y'all think that that's why BlackRock is interested in it, give me a thumbs up. If y'all don't think that's why BlackRock is interested in it, give me a thumbs down. Now, here go my question. And this is the question that AB Promotions been asking. We're gonna put the off code hour on AB Promotions, and we're gonna blame it on Carlton Wade too. Why are people facing a wealth gap in 2023 not focused on maximizing their Bitcoin holdings by 2140? Shout out to We Lit. We Lit says shit's way better than stocks and cocaine. That's an interesting combination. That sounds like that's some Hunter Biden type portfolio. You know what I'm saying? Sound like Leonardo and Hunter Biden in a movie together or some shit. Carlton Wade put the warning up. The off code hour. So we gotta ask that question. You know what I'm saying? Why are people that are facing a zero median wealth in 2053 not assessing the impact of possibly maximizing their Bitcoin holding by 2140? Why do you think that is? What do you guys think? Black Bitcoin Key said, what's off code? This whole stream is off code, bro. This whole stream is off code. You know we ain't supposed to be talking about cryptocurrency. That's outlawed. But I'm an outlaw and I break laws, so I don't care. What was that song that Capone Noriega said? We hate the law, so we break it. Loyal to this life. AB Promotions, you know what I'm talking about. We hate the law, so we break it. Loyal to this life. From the CNN out from the War Report album. I agree. See, I agree. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't nobody. I'm just a YouTuber with a dying YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? I can't even get 100 people watching my shit live consistently. That's all I am. So, you know what I'm saying? You know. You know what I'm saying? That's all I am. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's it. You know, it's all about subscriber supremacy on YouTube and shit. You know what I'm saying? And you know what they say on YouTube? If you don't have over 10,000 subscribers and if you don't have 100 people watching you live, then you ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? We're going to stay thugging like that. So now here it says, Fundstrat's Tom Lee has predicted that Bitcoin could rally to $500,000 in the next 5 years. And the Standard Chartered had forecasted that ETF inflows could help push Bitcoin's price to $200,000. Bitcoin hit its record high of $69,045 in November of 2021. Let me ask you guys this question. Will we hit $70,000 this month? I gotta agree. And to me, the reason why a lot of people think that you need a large amount of money to do stuff is because they don't really know as much about money or as much about how to get shit popping as they claim that they do.